Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X70, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then find storage right over here. Tap on the drop-down menu and select your SD card. Choose Files, Files by Google. You can select either just once or always, it doesn't really matter. And then click on the three dots here, select Storage Settings and choose Format. This will give you a brief message letting you know that formatting card will remove everything on it. So if you keep any kind of data, that card that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now with that being said, select Format SD card. This will then begin formatting your card. This process only takes a couple seconds, as you can see, and from here you can select Done, and the card is now formatted and ready to be used once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.